Hey everyone, Dave from Summit Racing, back at Performance Parts Expo 2020, brought to you by Summit Racing. We're with Dave Gerard from Pypes Performance Exhaust, and Dave has got a couple of new products to share with us, but for this particular video, we're going to focus on your new muffler. Dave, what can you tell us about this muffler and kind of how it fits in with the rest of the Pypes line?
The new muffler is called the Turbo Pro. It's going to be our fourth muffler, so the consumer can really custom tailor their exhaust sound. In the spring, we introduced our line of H-pipes, which doubled our product line. And again, this is another chance for the consumer to tailor their exhaust to their specific tone.
Okay, so you mentioned 4 different mufflers essentially, and basically that's kind of broken out, I think, as you mentioned, kind of by the sound you're looking for. This one in particular uses you said a classic sort of turbo configuration. Kind of expand on that and how that configuration is and what it means for the customer.
Sure. I do have a cutaway here of our Turbo Pro muffler. It basically has 2 scallop sections in the end that direct the flow in through the tubes. The tubes are a perforated design, and we use a basalt style packing so it won't burn away and really last for a long time. Combine all this together and it really gives you a mellow tone. We've been known to be on the upper end to the extreme end of loudness. This one here just refines all that and makes it a nice sounding tone.
Okay, so typically on some of your other mufflers, is also that turbo setup or chambered straight through? What do you see? And tell us about maybe what you took from those mufflers and applied to this muffler, just in terms of maybe like the materials you used and things like that.
Yeah. Our 3 long-standing mufflers have been the Street Pro, which is a chambered style muffler with no packing. Our Race Pro muffler, which is a straight through design with the same basalt packing we're using here. The third muffler that we've always had in our lineup was called our Violator. Violator is exactly that. It's extremely loud. It is a no pack muffler with a louver tube straight through design, no chamber. So it is quite an aggressive muffler.
Okay, yeah, so, basically, whether you're choosing a muffler or just the muffler, you've got some different options that you never had before from Pypes. And then, of course, you were telling me earlier just about the, all the other components that you offer and how you can kind of piece them together to sort of customize what you get. Mm-hmm. Just kind of go back and talk about some of those things that you offer and how maybe they play along with one another.
Okay. I guess the easiest example would be your 69 Chevelle, pretty common application. For that particular car, we offer all 4 of these mufflers. We also offer either an X-pipe or an H-pipe. So you can combine through our part numbers all those components to tailor your tone that you're looking for.
Okay.
If one is too mild, we can step it up. If one is too wild, we can step it down.
Gotcha. Yeah, for the turbo muffler, Turbo Pro that you're offering here, just tell me a little bit about the materials, what you use on it, and tailpipe locations, things like that. Yep. It's kind of the spectrum.
Yeah, they're available in either offset center, 2.5 inch, 3 inch. All the materials are stainless steel. We use 409 stainless for these mufflers. They are a welded design case, not a crimped design, which adds strength and longevity. In fact, we do back them with our limited lifetime warranty.
Okay, yeah, I was just going to ask about the warranties. Just if you could expand a little bit on the 409 stainless and some of the benefits there from that material.
Yeah, 409 over aluminized is a better way to go. It's not quite 304 stainless, which is the best. And based on popularity, who knows, this muffler may end up in a 304 configuration as well. But the 409 stainless has been our go-to material for the last almost 12 years, and it's just held up very well and been a good selling point.
Yeah, obviously between that and that welded design, a very durable design of the muffler. You guys continue to evolve with all these muffler offerings and being able to configure with different pieces, parts from the rest of your catalog. And we're proud to be able to offer Pypes Performance Exhaust, the entire line, at summitracing.com. Dave, thanks for your time.
Hey, thanks for having me.